If you're seeing the Outlook error that says user is over quota, don't worry, because this usually means your mailbox is too full and Outlook can't keep working normally until you free up some space. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it by deleting large emails, clearing out junk mail, and emptying the deleted items folder. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Outlook fixes and productivity tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is look for the biggest emails in your inbox. Large messages with attachments are usually the main reason your mailbox reaches its limit. To find them faster, go to your email list and use the filter beside the focused and other tabs. Change that filter to sort by size. Once your emails are sorted, the largest ones will appear near the top, making them easy to spot. Now go through those large emails one by one and delete any that you no longer need. If an email has a big attachment and you already saved that file somewhere else, this is a great time to remove it. Deleting just a few oversized messages can make a big difference, especially if your mailbox is close to the quota limit. Next, go to your junk email folder. This folder often fills up with a lot of unnecessary messages, and those emails can still take up space in your mailbox. Open the junk email folder and empty it completely. If there are any messages you want to keep, move them out first, but otherwise it's best to clear the folder to recover storage quickly. After that, do the same thing with your deleted items folder. A lot of people think deleted emails are gone right away, but they still stay in this folder until you empty it. Open deleted items and permanently remove everything inside. This is one of the most important steps because if you skip it, Outlook may still show that you're over quota. Once you've deleted the large emails, cleared junk email, and emptied deleted items, give Outlook a moment to refresh. Then close Outlook completely and restart it. When it opens again, the over quota error should no longer appear because your mailbox now has more available space. If the message still shows up right away, wait a few minutes and restart Outlook one more time so it can sync the updated mailbox status. In most cases though, these 3 cleanup steps are enough to fix the problem quickly without needing any advanced settings or extra tools. So to recap, sort your emails by size, delete the biggest messages, empty junk email, and clear deleted items. Then restart Outlook and check again. That's the simplest way to fix the Outlook user is over quota error and get back to work fast. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.